Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, make sure your GPU drivers are current and that your display mode matches how you want a capture. You should run OBS as administrator to avoid permission locks. Once done, open OBS and add a single source, display capture or window capture. If you use window capture, ensure the target app is not minimized. These initial steps remove the most common blocks quickly so you can proceed to deeper settings without repeating basic checks. Now focus on source types and capture methods. This is where previews often fail. You will switch capture methods. Try automatic first, then explicitly choose Windows 10, 1903+, or bit BLT if automatic fails. If capturing a browser or Discord, disable hardware acceleration in that app, then re-add the source. For games, add game capture and pick capture-specific window or capture any full-screen application. Once you confirm the right method, the preview should show stable output in OBS. Finish by isolating config issues. Create a fresh scene collection or reset OBS settings to default, which eliminates corrupt profiles. Make sure OBS is running on the same GPU as the app you capture. Set this in your GPU control panel so OBS and the target app use the dedicated GPU or integrated GPU consistently. If the preview still fails, restart your PC, then test again. If problems persist, use the reset as your baseline and rebuild sources step by step while noting any error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.